Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change spark plugs, Chevy Cruze full guide. Start by gathering tools and setting a clean workspace, then disconnect the negative battery terminal and remove the engine cover. Label and remove coil packs one at a time and clear debris from plug wells before loosening plugs. Use proper sockets and extensions and keep replacement plugs and torque wrench ready for precise installation. Remove ignition coils gently to avoid breaking connectors and keep them in order for correct reinstallation. Blow debris out of each spark plug well with compressed air so dirt does not enter the combustion chamber. Loosen each plug with a steady motion and extract using a magnetic socket or extension to prevent drops. Inspect old plugs for wear patterns that can indicate engine issues and compare them to the new parts before. Torque new spark plugs to the specified 25 ft-pounds or OEM value using a calibrated torque wrench for consistent sealing and to avoid damage. Hand start threads first to prevent cross-threading, then finish with the torque wrench and reinstall coils snugly, but not over-tightened. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, start the engine, and listen for smooth idle while checking for any misfire codes or rough running. Keep a record of the service for future maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.